I'm gonna run through how I'm going to mount this foot control for the Garmin Force Current onto my Hobie PA using the H rail as well as this side plate. So when you get the foot pedals, it comes attached to this black piece right here, and you can take out the screws that are attached to it through these holes right here, here, and here. And then using these Yak Attack Mighty mounts, this one clamps onto the H rail, and this one is a 90. You can essentially mount it to here so that it looks just like that. But just mounting it straight like this isn't perfect, I would say. And there's a few modifications that I found that would make it nice and level and more straight. So one is, whenever you get this Gridlock Mighty Mount 90, it comes with this piece, which allows you to mount it onto like a black pack. But for this application, I'm going to put it right here so that it acts as a spacer and it straightens up this foot pedal. As well as the other modification is you have this 90, but this plate is at an angle, and you need to add a wedge to it or some kind of shim. So I went out to Lowe's and I picked up these toilet shims, look like this, and I drilled a hole through one right here. And then I slip that over the T-bolt that goes in this rail. Then you slide this guy over it, and it levels it out a little bit more. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. So I'm gonna reassemble all this, and then I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Like a further out view. So I think that's gonna work out pretty good. This, obviously you can slide back and forth, pressing this button, and you can adjust this dial to whatever angle you want. Whenever you get this, it comes with this like stand that can go here to like the floor of your kayak to give it more support, but I think this is pretty sturdy. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, hopefully that's helpful to somebody. One thing is these quarter 20 bolts. I just took the ones that come out of this foot support, because these are supposed to be meant for like doing a through hole mount. So since they came with that, I used those, and you can see this guy's a little bit long, but with this spacer in here, this worked out perfectly. This could stand to be a little bit shorter, but it's kind of extra security. But